Alright, let's start by searching for our AI tool. Oops, let me fix that typo. I'll type Visio and add dev to get the right website. Let's click on this search result. We need to navigate to the actual Visio website. Let's click on the first result to access the Visio platform. We're ready to sign in and start building our portfolio website. Alright, let's sign into the platform. I'll move to the prompt box where we can ask Visio to build our portfolio. Next up, we'll paste our prompt and watch the magic happen. I'll paste my portfolio prompt into the input field. The AI has automatically detected my prompt and created a file attachment. Now, let's generate our website. Let's send our prompt to the AI. The Visio AI is now thinking and processing our request. You can see it's reading our pasted text file and working on building our portfolio website. Let me quickly check the clipboard history and we'll close that pop-up. Amazing! The AI has generated a complete portfolio website preview. Look at how professional and clean this looks. Let's explore the code and preview options to see what we've got. Let's check out the actual code behind our website, and we can easily switch back to the preview view. Pretty cool how we can toggle between the code and preview so seamlessly. Now, let's publish this website. Let's publish our website. Let's publish it to production to make it live on the web. Awesome! Our website is now live. Next, let's visit the published site to see how it looks. Let's visit our live site to see how it looks. Amazing! Our portfolio website is now live and loading beautifully in a new tab. Let me grab this URL so we can see the full address of our published site. I'll open a new tab here. And let's get back to our portfolio to explore all the features. Let's inspect the navigation bar to see how well the AI structured our site. Let's check out the navigation bar. I can see the name Alex Chen is prominently displayed. Let me hover over the About link to see how it responds. Over skills, projects, experience, and contact. Nice! All the navigation links have smooth hover effects. Let's test that dark mode toggle feature. Let's test the dark and light mode toggle to see how it switches the theme. The theme toggle works seamlessly, switching between dark and light modes. Now, let's scroll through the different sections of the page. Let's explore the content by highlighting some of the text elements in this hero section. I'll scroll down to see what other sections the AI created. We've got About Me, Skills and Expertise, and here's the Featured Project section. Next, let's test out these project links to see if they're functional. Let's test the project links by clicking on the live demo for TaskFlow Pro. We get a security warning since this is a demo link, so I'll go back to safety. Let's try the code link for the same project. This opens up GitHub as expected. I'll close this tab to get back to our portfolio. Let me scroll back up to continue exploring the site. Great! The project links are working live. Now, let's test the resume download functionality. Let's test the resume download button. As expected, we get a 404 error since this is just a demo template without an actual resume file linked. I'll close this tab. Next, let's check out the contact section and footer. Let's scroll down to check out the contact section. I'll test this email link to see if it works. Let me close this dialog. And here's the footer with the copyright information. Let's head back to the Visio editor to wrap things up. Let's click on the Build with Visio badge to go back to the editor. And there we have it. We've successfully built and published a complete portfolio website using AI in just a few minutes. The entire process from prompt to live website took no time at all, and the result looks incredibly professional. This shows just how powerful AI tools have become for web development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.